Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to earn in Bigo Live without. For those of you who don't know what is an agency in Bigo Live, agency are basically those who hire or recruit the streamers or broadcasters to perform and earn the money on Bigo Live. So if you want to earn money without the help of agency, then this is the video for you, so watch till the end to know about it. Now, if you want to earn without agency, make sure that you have your Bigo Live app and make sure that you have installed it and you are logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page of Bigo Live, and here we'll see various options on the bottom of the page as well as on top of the page. So now to go live, you'll see the media like option on the very center of the page, so click on it, and now you are seeing the options of live, and you may also select the option of live, like no guest live, virtual live, multi-guest live, virtual live, live, audio live, game live, and so on. So select the options of live which you want to go and select the live which you want to go. So after doing that, you need to simply click on the, you may also add title to your chat, so I'm just writing hi. So after doing that, you may click on the option of go live, and your live will begin in 3 2 1. And after that, the gifter may gift you the gift, and by redeeming the gift you may earn money on Bigo Live without the help of agency. So that's it. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.